Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of New Communities. Today we're here in beautiful St. Augustine, Florida, exploring one of the area's most newest and most luxurious destinations, NEWBROOK at Silverleaf by Toll Brothers.
That's right. NEWBROOK is part of the stunning Silverleaf master plan and is truly designed for the best of Florida living. A gated community featuring elegant homes, resort-style amenities, and that perfect blend of comfort and convenience.
Here you'll find 5 incredible collections: the cypress, the dogwood, juniper, river birch, and spruce, each offering its own take on luxury. The homes range from 1,700 to 4,700 square feet, all with the ability to personalize your space at that Toll Brothers Design Studio.
And with features like the clubhouse, sparkling pools, fitness centers, and scenic parks, NEWBROOK residents get exclusive access to everything that makes the Silverleaf community lifestyle so special.
Plus, you're in the heart of St. Johns County. Top-rated school district is just minutes from the beaches as well. Historic downtown St. Augustine, so you truly get the best of everything.
But before we jump into the tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
And also leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to think about NEWBROOK or answer any questions that you might have about building a home here or in Northeast Florida.
And if you'd like more information or want to schedule a personal tour, just give us a call. We'd love to help you find the dream home right here in NEWBROOK at Silverleaf.
All right, so now's the time. Let's go take a look at these beautiful homes.
Let's do it.
Welcome to the Oceana Modern Coastal. This home is in the Dogwood collection that could be at least 2,100 square feet and up to 2,500 square feet. This could have 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Let's go take a look at this home. Welcome to the Barnwell Elite Transitional in the Juniper series, starting at a little under 2,700 square foot with a 3 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Let's go take a look around.
Welcome. Here we are at the River Birch collection home made by Toll Brothers here in St. Augustine. This home specifically is the Julington Modern Coastal Home. You can have up to 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3 to 5 bathrooms. You even have either a 2 or a 4-car garage. It's up to you. But this home has a lot of modern upgrades and it is very customizable. So let's go check out the home. Well, that wraps up our tour of NEWBROOK at Silverleaf, and what a stunning community this is. From the variety of new home designs to the resort-style amenities, this place really has it all.
Absolutely. With options ranging from cozy excellence to spacious luxury, Toll Brothers has created something for everyone, all in one of the most desirable locations in St. Augustine.
If you're thinking about making a move or building your home here, reach out to us at the Rakers Home Group. We love to walk you through the process and show you how to get the home team advantage.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you know who's looking for their dream home in Florida.
Drop us a comment below and let us know what you thought of NEWBROOK or which floor plan caught your eye.
Thanks for watching, and as always, the Rakers Home Group is here to help you not just find a house, but the home that you deserve.